Hi, my name is Samir. I am the owner of the emergency alert system. Please turn down your volume. Also, I am not responsible for any misuse of the emergency alert system. Neither am I responsible for any activations. Please turn your volume down, just in case. Warning. EAS tones in this video are very loud. Your volume must be turned down to keep your ears safe. Thank you.
Your video.
I am going to watch TV. I want to watch the TV because I am very, 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 very bored.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. If you are in Plotagon City, get to a shelter immediately. A tornado just left Go City. Please get to shelter now. Thank you. Also, if you're in Go City, then you have the all clear. Go to shelter now.
You have the all clear, but don't leave your shelter until we say the tornado.
So, for those in Go City, do not leave your shelter until the tornado is gone. Thank you.
This is very bad. I must get to a shelter. Oh, I forgot there was a basement in my house. I'ma go get Jesse. How do you know about the tornado before me?
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
The emergency alert system said there was a tornado in Go City coming our way.
Glad we're in the... What the... I hear something.
I think the tornado is near, or even maybe here.
Oh God.
The tornado goes over the house.
Wait.
Jesse. The tornado is pulling you.
Help me.
I don't care about the dumb tornado, Grandpa. I just want to know where everyone is at once. That's what I'm trying to tell you. They got scared and ran from the tomato. I mean tornado. Where is everyone? The National Weather Service says that the tornado in Plotagon City is shrinking. You can leave your shelters. Wow! I can't believe it. I was here the whole time and didn't get sucked in by any tornado. Wow! I'm very, 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 very lucky. Wow! Wow! Welcome to the news channel. The REPORTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTT. The National Weather Service said that the storm that produced the tornado is gone. The sun is out and it is a good day today.
Thank you for your cooperation with the emergency alert system and the National Weather Service. We may continue to regular programming at this time.
We may return to normal programming. And the tornado is gone. For tonight's news, we have... I'ma go tell everybody. Yay, I'm calling you to tell you that the tornado is gone. Hooray. Hey, what are you doing here? There is a tornado nearby. But it's sunny and the storm is gone. I already know that. I was just kidding to you. Okay, to tell you the truth, I didn't think the tornado was gone. Oh, okay.